The moment AI starts agreeing with you too quickly and too easily is the moment to slow down and think first. Because if AI isn't helping you refine, improve, and stress test your ideas or thinking, it's just helping you move, but probably in the wrong direction. So that distinction matters more than most people realize. And over the last few videos, I've talked to you about false confidence and how AI won't save you. You see, AI can make smart people confidently wrong, and therefore you move faster in the wrong direction. But the real issue isn't AI. It's when people blindly follow it and abdicate responsibility and diminish their own authority. So for me, AI never sits before the first iteration of thinking. By the time I open up AI, I've already got my own collection of ideas, some data, some facts, a few hypotheses, and a best guess about the direction that I think things will go. So some of that thinking has happened already, and AI comes in after that. And the one role I never let it play is that AI never decides for me. It can say, if I were you, I would do X because of Y. Like, that can be useful, but the decision itself rests with me. Now, the best use of AI for me is as a thinking partner. I use it to stress test ideas, to look for blind spots, and to play devil's advocate. Now, I want AI to serve as a board of advisors and challenge me, not just agree with me. So if it's nodding along, it's not adding any value, and there's a good chance it could be cheerleading you off the edge of a cliff. So how do you know if you've done it right? Well, look, for me personally, I know a decision is mine when it sits right in my gut and in my head. So if I'm willing to own the upside and the downside without outsourcing responsibility or my thinking to a robot, that's when it feels right, and that's when I commit to the decision. And the clue for when somebody is misusing AI, it's actually a little bit subtle. The clue is that they're not thinking with it, they're just trying to think less. So they want AI to do the hard part, the heavy lifting, which is the judgment, instead of using AI to sharpen their own judgment. And that's how your authority quietly gets handed away to the robots. And that's what we want to avoid. So used properly, AI won't make the decisions for you, but it can help you see more clearly, help you decide better. And for serious operators, that's exactly where AI should sit.